Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing somewhat of a tutorial on this look because you guys will see in the video that I did most of it because it wasn't supposed to happen. It just happened. So I did explain some of the things that I finished doing, but other than that, I don't know what this look is. I don't know what to call it. This is the first Halloween look of this kind that I have done. So I was just playing around and this is what happened. So if you guys just want to see how this whole playing around look came about on majority of some of it, then just, well actually if you guys just want to see the rest of how it is, then just please keep on watching. You guys, so while doing this tutorial, majority of this is already done because of the fact that I was only wanting to do the eyelid colors. So as I did that, I wanted to try and see what I can do, you know, like what my skills are, because I've never really done looks like this actually ever. So this is a first time try for this. So let's just continue. I want to do a liner, like the wing, but I don't know if I want it to be black or if I just want to do like a glitter liner. I think glitter would be kind of fun to just add on here, but let's go ahead and jump in and just do the liner right now because I'm kind of thinking about doing a web. I was really wanting to try. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know. So with that done, I want to hurry up and actually finish my eye on the other side. Okay, what am I doing? Okay. I'm just trying to remember because like I said, I just started doing this without really having that much of an idea. And all this is kind of sloppy just because this one's not meant to be precise. Besides my cut crease, I would say that's like the only thing. And I'm talking more about just the eye, not the mouth or anything. Okay. And then I just went now to cut the crease. And don't worry about the top because that gets done later. The Morphe palette, the 3502, and I'm going into that really sparkly orange. And I'm putting this all in the inner part. I'm packing this like that. Now going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going into the purple shade on the far corner, and I am packing that as well. Then here I'm just sweeping it just to really blend it in. And the main point with this look, why it's like with my mouth and stuff and around the face, is mainly because I wanted the eyes to incorporate all over the face, being that it was so basic for the eyes, and that's why I was like, you know what, let's amp it up a bit and see what we could come up with. Even though I feel like it's a, I don't know, in a way where I think it's way too much, but we'll see when it's done. So now I'm going back into that Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm mixing that very bright pink shade, and I'm also going in with that just to mix those and blend this part in with the black because I really wanted something that incorporated like drier blood in a way. Brows I did a little bit, but then I stopped, mainly because I want to amp it up a bit. So let me comb through these real quick. And then now I'm going to make my brows more dramatic because why not? Everything else is. Yeah, I'm just going to go in with a thick eyeliner pencil, which is right here. And I'm going to smudge this all in my brow. Thinking about just doing this whole area black. I just kind of want to see what this will be like. I'm actually just gonna hurry up and fill it in with black liner. I mean black eyeshadow, so So what I'm planning on doing now is I'm not going to do my ear because I really don't want to. I'm just going to do half side like a black, and then I'm just probably going to do this side orange right here maybe, and then do purple on the bottom. Not 100% sure of how it's going to look, but that's what I've been doing this whole look. So let me fix the mouth a little bit. Going back into the Morphe palette and mixing those two pink shades together. And I'm just going to... Okay, so sorry about that. So I just ended up filling the rest of this, the orange, like I was mentioning. And then I filled under the bottom black. But I'm kind of debating now if I just want to leave it the orange because I'm really liking the contrast and the purple up there. I was thinking about doing some purple on the chin to kind of even it out. But then the orange, like look, we'll just try this together. I don't know how this is gonna be. It's kind of cool though. And I was thinking of blacking out this or maybe just doing more of that bright pink. So let's go ahead and do that. And we can really see if this will pop. Okay. That's probably a bit better. Okay. You know what? I want to go a little crazy and I want to do the red on this side. Let's see, I kind of want to... I'm just using a liquid liquid lipstick for this. Okay, let's go ahead and throw on some mascara, then let's just call it Okay, so this is what I am looking at right now. I think it's interesting. I don't really know much what to think of it or what to call it, so I'll leave that up to you guys. But okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, even though this was just messing around. I had no idea what I was doing. But if you guys just like, if you like guys look how this look came about, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. That would mean so much to me. And with all that said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.